Hello SOLIDWORKS power users, this is Alin Vergatu from Trimax Solutions, and in this video I would like to add more information about one of the most revolutionary ideas submitted for the Top 10 List 2024. This is the place where SOLIDWORKS users are brainstorming and are voting on the best ways to enhance the software in the future. This idea was submitted on behalf of one of my clients. And if you try to read what I try to describe here, you can see I use a lot of words. This idea is just about saving time. When you have thousands of drawings already created and stored in your vault, what if you could select drawing views from existing drawings, press a button, and automatically push that information back in the model as annotation views, or even better, as 3D views? I use text here. It's not very clear. One of the most respected SOLIDWORKS forum users, Kevin, actually asked really good questions, and the best one is, what is the benefit? It wasn't very clear. So instead of telling you what the benefits are, allow me to show them. And I have here SOLIDWORKS 2024. Let's take a look at the current functionality inside SOLIDWORKS. Somebody spent a lot of time to create these annotation views, and after that capturing them in 3D views. Notice I have here the top view, I have the front view. This is a model, it's not a drawing. Bottom view, section view even, right? I have the notes area, casting, it's a different configuration. And the benefit is, after you apply all this work, not only you can use this as an MBD model, but if you decide to create a drawing for this model, you can very quickly create 2D drawing views. Notice I can drag this 3D view inside there, and I'm automatically getting the dimensions. I'm dragging the next one, let's say the top, and you can see I already get the dimensions. But in practice, very few companies have models like that, where the dimensions are nicely grouped in annotation views and in 3D views to create 2D views. What about the opposite? So let's take a look at the current functionality that exists in the 3D Experience platform. The same model was imported in Xdrawing, and notice there is no really annotation view here, no 3D view. So let's create a 2D drawing. Let's add a new sheet. Let's add a model view, let's say the front view. Maybe a couple of orthographic projection. Maybe the right view would be a good one. And the top view. And that's it for now. Let's activate the right view. And let's add a few dimensions. Okay, maybe the overall height. Okay, we finished with the right view. Let's go on the front view. And let's try to apply maybe dimensions related to the various levels that we have here. Should be a good one. Maybe from here to here. And from here to the top. Let me move them a little bit around. Functionality is slightly different than what we have inside SOLIDWORKS. Good. So what do we have right now? We have 3 views. 2 of them already have dimensions. So notice that every dimension that I applied is now part of a drawing view. More importantly, each 2D view has a correspondent in a 3D view. So let's switch to the 3D model and let's see what happens with our dimensions. How beautiful is that? I don't have to do any extra work. So the idea that we submitted was related to repurposing the work that was done in the 2D drawing. Maybe not pushing everything back to the model, but allowing the user to select a number of drawing views, press a button, and turn them into either annotation views or 3D views inside the model. Let me know if you have more questions about this functionality. I believe if we have this in the native SolidWorks desktop version, everybody would benefit tremendously. Companies are going to embrace MBD much easier because the creation of all the PMI inside the model are going to be done almost automatically. We already have the drawings created. We don't have to redo the work again. So we have the 2D drawings, you press a button, and now suddenly you also have MBD models. What do you guys think?